Hello, this is Swift Maths with Mr. G. Hope you're all okay. Today we're going to be rounding to the nearest 10. So, what is a 10? A 10 is a bundle of 10 single units. So, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 single units. Together, they make 110. So in this number, the number 56, which number is the 10 and which number is the unit? That's right. You've got 5 tens and 6 units. We can also count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, rounding is when we find out which number we are closest to. So in this case, we're rounding to the nearest 10. So we need to find out what 10 or which 10 we are nearest to. A really useful way to see this is to put our number on a number line. Let me choose a number. Let's have 47. Where would this number go on this number line? So, if your number ends in 1, 2, 3, or 4, you round down to the nearest 10. If your number ends in 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you round up to the next 10. So let's have a look at our number. 47 obviously ends in the number 7. So, because it ends in the number 7, we round up to the nearest 10, like this. So if we change the number to 44, where would you round it? That's right, you'd round it down to the nearest 10, because the number ends in 4. So, I'm going to pop some sums on the screen for you now. Well done for getting this far. I want you to have a look at the numbers and, on a piece of paper, decide whether you need to round the numbers up to the nearest 10 or down to the nearest 10. If you like a challenge, I'm going to put a timer on the screen for 2 minutes. See how many sums you can do